Life of a 22-year-old renting out his basement as Airbnb. So today I just came to check all my, see, I already started sweeping before I made the video, so that's the debt. I came to check out what my clients did to my apartment just to see if there's any damage. The toaster is looking okay, though it needs some wash. The air fryer needs some wash too, though it's not crazily dirty. The fridge looks okay, but still needs some cleaning. Down here, oh, he left me some goodies. You can see mustard. Oh, he left this wine, Jackson, whatever. Should I take a sip? Hell nah, I always throw them away. This is like a mustard and some other stuff. Not bad, decent. Not a 10 over 10, but I can't complain. Nothing too crazy yet. The TV looks like it was tried to clean, but I can see some dirt on it. Even the fridge looks like it tried cleaning the fridge. I don't know why. I can see someone tried cleaning the fridge. So this is the toilet. No much damage, though I'd already cleaned the floor, but I haven't touched the bathtub and the toilet, the WC. So this is the main room. You can see some dirt already packed. Removed the sheets already in the washing machine. This my supplies. He took a lot of my supplies, a lot, even the ones he probably didn't need, but it's part of the business, so it is what it is. But every other thing seems pretty intact. Yeah, so giving you guys a full view of the living room. So pretty. What do you think, guys? So this is the, should I call it storage in the bedroom? No condoms. Everything nice and clean. This is the closet in the bedroom. Not too much damage. I don't even think he entered there. Everything looked the way I left it. Then this is the washing area. Man, he really messed that place up though. Then these are some other things I didn't like. The floor, the wall. Then this is like the entrance, which is expected, I mean, but it's just the floor that got me angry. So I got to clean in, no time to waste time. You gotta do what you gotta do, gotta make the money. He was tired here, you can see. And right now I gotta take a sniff. I don't need to shower for the next 2 weeks. I'm good. And this is what the final product looks like. Tell me what you think. Would you book this beauty for $90? Let me know in the comments.